And the last step is to check for win. So we didn't check if the user or the guesser win. So it will be here, check for win, and it will be condition, and there will be if statement. If underscore is not in hidden word, so it means in hidden word every underscore is replaced by letter, so it means that we won, correct? So we will print you won like this, because if underscore is not in hidden word, so it means that in hidden word there is no underscore, we will print you won. Perfect. And that's it. So I think we are ready. Be careful, because if is still the part of the while cycle, so it means it has to go like this. Again, it has to be indented. Okay, perfect. So now we can check it. I will run it. For example, A again, okay, L, okay, and so on and so on. Maybe I will check it. Elbows, you won. Perfect, because we guessed correctly all letters. Great. If I will run it again and put here A, H, and so on and so on, and I will put here something. We have 3 lives, 2 lives, 1 life. You have 1 life left. You lost. Perfect. So no life, no game. Great. So everything goes okay. You can see that if I will run it, maybe it is not clear for the user, because I would like to put there some spaces or something like this. So you can, for example, here you can go, I don't know, here for example, print a new line. We will see. I will run it. Okay, the new line is here, so it is not a good idea. So we will put a new line here, for example, in the end of the cycle, maybe. So for example, it will be A. This I have to comment this out. So where is it? Here. No. So sorry. I mean here. I will comment this out. Perfect. So it will be A. You have 6 lives left, and the result is this. Perfect. Enter the letter to guess. So here is a new line. Okay. Enter a letter to guess. So it will be L. Okay. Enter the new letter. And I think it's more clear for the user with the spaces. Correct? Perfect. So if you understand, guys, I hope that you understand, so you can make it, you can change whatever you want. Okay, for example, lives, it doesn't have to be 6 lives. For example, you can put there only 4 lives, and so on and so on. You can change whatever you want, and here you can store more letters. You can make it harder, or you can make whatever you want. Okay, but I hope, guys, that you understand. The whole code will be in the textbook as well, and the link to the textbook is in description of this video. And this, guys, is code without OOP. It means without object-oriented programming. And in the next videos, we will learn something about OOP, what does it mean, and so on and so on. And after that, when we will ready, we will take this code and change it to the OOP. So it means change it to the object-oriented programming. So see you guys in the next video.